We are excited to invite talented researchers to join us through the Marie Curie Actions Postdoctoral Fellowships in 2025. Hello, I'm Benjamin Bowie, Head of Applications team at ATLANT 3D, where we are revolutionizing advanced manufacturing with our direct atomic layer processing technology. This groundbreaking approach enables atomic scale precision in material deposition, unlocking new possibilities in micro and nanotechnology. If you are passionate about advanced materials, semiconductor innovation, or quantum application, this opportunity is for you. Now let's see what makes DALP technology so special. Unlike conventional microfabrication techniques, which require multiple complex steps, DALP enables direct selective material deposition at the atomic level. This means faster, more efficient manufacturing, greater material versatility, and unprecedented precision and scalability. With this technology, you can revolutionize electronics, quantum computing, photonics, and energy storage, making it a true game changer for these fields and many more. We are looking for ambitious postdoctoral candidates with background in material science, physics, or chemistry who want to push the boundaries of science and technology. As a postdoctoral researcher, you'll have the opportunity to work with this cutting-edge technology, driving groundbreaking innovation in your field while learning and utilizing our advanced tools to take your research to the next level. If your field of expertise is advanced nanomaterials, energy storage and conversion, neuromorphic structures, photonics integrated circuits, MEMS and sensors, and quantum devices, do not hesitate to send your applications to us. By joining the program, you will be able to learn and utilize our technology, thus taking your research to the next level. Apply via the address you find in the description or through our website with the link below. Let's shape the future of atomic scale manufacturing together, atom by atom.